Today, we are going to talk about the left extended landing light of the Boeing 737-800 aircraft. There are 4 switches of landing light, and there is a spring load gang bar above the switches. This is used for all switches can be selected on immediately and simultaneously when breaking out of the cloud near minimums. The fixed landing light switches are located right next to the retractable landing light switches, and the light themselves are located at each wing root and shine at a fixed angle. The fixed landing light switches have only the positions off and on. The retractable landing light switch are located on the captain's side of the forward overhead panel, and the light themselves are located just inboard of the pack ram air inlets on the underside of the fuselage. The outboard and retractable light switches are 3 positions: off, extended but off, extended and on. The purpose of the extended but off position is to pre-move the lights into position so that they can be switched on instantly to illuminate the landing area. It also eliminates the side of the beams of light moving as they are extended, which can be disorientating if the light are moved straight to extended and on from off. The taxi light is used to illuminate the path ahead of the aircraft and increase its invisibility to other aircraft, controller, and ground personnel. The taxi light switch is located on the captain's side of the forward overhead panel beside the runway turn-off light switches. The light itself is mounted on the nose gear and shines wherever the nose of the aircraft pointing. The switch is 2 positions switches off and on. When the gear is retracted, the taxi light turns off automatically. Please subscribe me for the next video.